If you are watching me today, then you are officially part of my startup journey, where I take an idea and turn it into a fully functional software, web app, or mobile application that is going to actually solve a problem, and it is a specific problem. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Johnny, and I am a developer. Let me brief you on how I came up with this idea in mind. My dad is an agent who gives houses for rent, so he's kind of a middleman between the landlord and the person looking for rent. And I've considered and seen one particular thing, that is, people are constantly asking for, do you have house available for rent? Do you have a place that I can rent? Which means there is a problem for people finding house to rent, especially in Ghana. That is where I am now. And I've thought of, why don't I build something that will be same as the middleman to connect the agent or the landlord to people that are looking for house to rent. And bear in mind that I'm not the first person who have thought of that. I've seen a couple of apps and softwares and maybe websites out there doing that, but one thing that they are doing that I am not going to do is they themselves are the one giving out the houses. That is, they are the one running it as their own SaaS, that is software as a service. They are the one running it, and they are the one posting the houses available. So it's not available for the users, and there's no way for you to create an account as an agent that you can post your own available property or house for rent that people can actually engage with you and get it for rent. And that is why I want to create mine. So I want to create a software that is going to connect people from wherever they are, people that are looking for house to rent, and the landlords and the agents together. So you can basically just go to software, search for available ones or recommended ones that is available in your area, and you can just call up the person, you need to have chat with the person, and you get your house for rent. Easy, easy, lemon, squeezy. If this is what you are interested in, and this is something that you're interested in, be sure to smash the subscribe button, like the video, and share it to anybody that you think will be interested in this journey that I'm going to take. And I know this is not going to be a 1 day thing or one video thing or some couple of videos, like 2-3 videos. It is going to take a lot because it is basically building a business from scratch, which I have no experience in doing that, to be honest. But trust me, we are all going to do this together. So whatever you think, any idea that you have in mind, leave it in the comment section, and I will surely consider it, and we are all building this together. What do I have now to build this startup that I'm talking about? The truth is nothing. I don't have anything, but I have my skills. Yes, I'm a developer, as I told you earlier on. I'm a React developer, and I have used Django for a couple of projects. So I always prefer using Django for my backend because I came from a Python environment. First, it's easy writing JavaScript than writing HTML. This is for me, because I love writing JavaScript than writing HTML and JavaScript again. And React is just one of the best. To argue, it's fun. I have just my skill, and I have a huge amount of money, which is $0. Yes, I have $0. So I'm doing this, building this from scratch. It's nothing but my skills. Not to forget, I also have you people. So I'm doing it with my skills and your opinion, and what you think is the best, because consumer satisfaction is the number one priority in a business. So if I'm doing what will satisfy you, it's best than doing what I think will satisfy myself. So, not to talk much, welcome to my journey and share to anyone that you know or you think will need to help me in this journey, because I know it can't be done by myself alone. We need each other. I need you the most. So, welcome once again. My name is Johnny, and this is my startup devlog 00.